Here, in this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, we are learning, we are assessing market equilibrium, disturbing lockdowns, a stay or a pause in manufacturing sector brought supply down, whereas unemployment leads to reduction in demand due to the purchasing power erosion. So ultimately it has an effect in market equilibrium where price determination is under perfect competition. So warmly welcome you in new phase of learning.
Price determination under perfect competition that marks us on a stand with a price equilibrium, with a quantity equilibrium. To the lockdown, chain effects have took place simultaneously. Both demand and supply get influence of lockdown. We'll analyze the shifts of demand and supply curve today and the new market equilibrium, price equilibrium, quantity equilibrium. We will discuss today will be the shift of demand more than the shift of supply, and this is been one of the situation of market equilibrium. Let's have a look. Scholars, once again I warmly welcome you in new phase of learning this session. Hereby we are discussing the first case of market equilibrium. Market का equilibrium under perfect competition price determination है, and we will going to pursue perfect competition marks the word prominent play market play, and market play include the two forces, that is demand and supply, and this will mark you price determination with simultaneously chain effects, यानी आपकी demand and supply will both change together, and this will first phase where we will discuss increase in demand and supply. हम पहले increase in demand and supply दोनों अगर increase कर रही हैं at all those together, then what will be the case? The first case, situation 1 says increase in demand. Demand में भी increase है and increase in supply also. दोनों इंक्रीज कर रही हैं डिमांड एंड सप्लाई की मार्केट फोर्सेस, बट डिमांड इज इंक्रीजिंग मोर. डिमांड में इंक्रीज ज्यादा है. डिमांड इंक्रीज इज ग्रेटर देन इंक्रीज इन द सप्लाई. सो दिस मार्क्स यू विद दिस ग्राफ. Now let's have very broad discussion on it. I want a detailed discussion because we are moving both these graphs, curves, like supply and demand. Demand is here and supply is here. This is original line. The line which is straightened is original and the line which is dotted is your change. Dotted line change reflect करेगी, straight line आपका original reflect करेगी. First thing. When supply and demand on original will intersect, then this is E. When original supply intersect original demand, then it is E. E represent your market equilibrium. And we have shifted demand. And demand में increase है. So let's see, increase in demand, shift ahead. This will be the forward movement. फॉरवर्ड डिमांड कर्व हमारा आगे चला गया. नाउ इंक्रीज इन सप्लाई. सप्लाई इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. देन वी हैव इंक्रीज्ड सप्लाई. बोथ द साइड्स हैव बीन इंक्रीज्ड. नाउ चेक, इंक्रीज इन डिमांड मोर है. सो लेट्स चेक द डिफरेंस. देखो, वी हैव 1 and 1.5 or more than 1.5 chalk. Look, check distance and 1.5 chalk distance, and in supply we have only half chalk difference. तो हम क्या रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि चेंज इन डिमांड, डिमांड ज्यादा चेंज हो रही है विथ शिफ्ट, एंड सप्लाई भी चेंज हो रही है शिफ्ट में, बट इट इज लेस देन डिमांड. So there is both the sides changing. Both the sides are changing, but demand is changing more. D1 ज़्यादा increase कर रहा है. D1 increase in demand more than increase in supply. Now check both the sides intersection point. Original point is this E. Now check dotted one. S is this and demand is this. So they intersect over here. That marks you with E2. अब हम इक्विलिब्रियम के E2 के आगे क्या लिखेंगे? P2. This is changed price because the new intersection equilibrium will be this and it will change price. And when it will be here, then the quantity will also change. Then that marks you with Q2. And this equilibrium point will mark you with P2 and Q2. We check both the sides are rising. Check. Price is also rising and quantity is also rising. So E2 is new equilibrium. And hereby it is the graphical representation. So now I am discussing on the right hand side of the table or board you can say, or the presentation, that is its effects. देखो बेटा, ये तो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. अब इफेक्ट्स भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. ड्यू टू द शिफ्ट इन डिमांड कर्व एंड सप्लाई कर्व कॉज राइज इन प्राइस. हमने अभी चेक किया है ना, E2 के सामने नया प्राइस लिखा है. E2 के सामने नया प्राइस लिखा है. E2 के सामने नई क्वांटिटी लिखी है. दैट मीन्स दैट दिस बोथ रिटन थिंग्स आर इंडिकेटिंग द चेंजेस. This shows that price is rising and quantity is equilibrium also rises. The both sides shows a variation of the rise in price and quantity. And that I have written it here. And have very great things to be understanding with. देखो बेटा, cause rise in price. Equilibrium price rise हो जाएंगे. अल्टीमेटली मार्केट को एक इन्फ्लुएंस मिलेगा कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ डिमांड, क्योंकि ड्यू टू प्राइस राइज, प्राइस अप, डिमांड डाउन. अगर प्राइस राइज हो जाएंगे तो मार्केट में डिमांड कम हो जाएगी एंड दैट विल रिफ्लेक्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. देन अगर आपकी प्राइस राइज हो जाएंगे तो सप्लाई क्या करेगी? प्राइस अप, सप्लाई अप. अब ये दोनों एक दूसरे से जस्ट अपोजिट कह रहे हैं कि सप्लायर तो प्रॉफिट को लेने के लिए ज्यादा सप्लाई करेगा, डिमांड अब हमें उतनी सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं देगी क्योंकि हमारी परचेजिंग कैपेसिटी रिड्यूस हो जाएगी. सो अल्टीमेटली ये दोनों एक दूसरे को एक इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट ला देंगे एंड दैट विल मार्क यू विद इक्विलिब्रियम. एंड इवन द क्वांटिटी वी हैव चेक्ड हियर इज राइजिंग, सो वी हैव रिटन क्वांटिटी ऑल्सो राइजेस इक्विलिब्रियम की, क्योंकि एक ऐसी कंडीशन बन जाएगी बेटा that this new equilibrium will reflect in price change also rise and price quantity is also going to be reflected. क्योंकि due to demand price will hike because the supplier do not have any output to deliver your satisfaction, so he will rise the price. Whoever have the purchasing capacity will purchase, otherwise then next time he will prepare his all the plans with the present scenario, then he will increase the output and that output will going to increase supply as well. So what ekdam all of a suddenly increase kar sakta na, then that's why it is the whole board presentation which I'm delivering you. And market observes shifts in supply and shifts in demand simultaneously. This is first situation when both are increasing and we are increasing the demand more than increase in supply. Next time we will discuss increase in demand is equal to increase in supply. So till then, I hope that you will learn this phase, and hereby we are concluding it for today. Thank you very much for visiting.
Hereby, once again we have to part our ways with a promise to see each other again. But this time we have discussed the first situation. There is still many more to come. We are discussing perfect competition, price determination, market equilibrium, where we have to bring price in a state of rest with the state of balance of quantity. Then market equilibrium can be attained. This is first situation. We have to analyze the second one as well. So hereby we are concluding with this note that we will meet again for the second phase. Thank you for visiting.